So a little Toyota MR2. Not been much filming on it, guys, to be honest with you. Here's what you need off up the top. A million push clips, get that off. That's just little lid, MR midship runabout. That's just under tray. So what we have been replacing is power steering pipes, and look at the crustacean on that. So that is all rotted out now, and they were leaking. So these, I believe they were 695 plus VAT from Toyota. It was a 695 or 595, I can't remember exactly, it was a while ago we priced them. Customer managed to find them on eBay, I believe, for £70. So, and look at how rotten that is, it's rotten. So, and there's the new ones all fitted in there. Let's see if I can get my torch. So yeah, lots of Japanese cars today. Suzuki MR2, Honda Civic, Nissan Micra, one BMW, so 2 Germans and 4 Japanese cars. So there you go. So there's those pipes there. They even not just got one little bit, they even give us a little bit to crimp as well, and they even put that bit of rubber there up there so as that it doesn't chaff. So that's good. That's good as well, and I will give it all a clean down, just make sure there's no leaks, but it looks all good. So, and they even put this little bit on here that bolts onto the rack, so that's all bolted down onto that bushing. So aye, that's all good, that's all good. I'll maybe actually just, yeah, I'm going to put some underneath there. I'll put some underneath that to stop that from rubbing on there. Try and bend them at the road. I'll put something underneath it to stop it from rubbing. I don't want that rubbing on that pipe, so I'll cut a wee bit of rubber off this actually. Aye, I'll cut a bit of that and we'll put that in, that's what we'll do. So we'll stick that to some metal if we can. Take this bit of rubber that's done its job now, and I'll stick that in there, I think. Oh, it's cool adrift. Right, so that's it there, and I'll put a keel tie in that. I'll put a wee tie in that. I'll stop it chaffing on that metal pipe there. I don't want to bend it too much. So, yeah, so I'll show you up the top actually. So bear with us. And it's a fully synthetic fluid that's in it. It's not just, don't just fire any red stuff in it. You can, no, don't be putting anything, just fire anything in it as an electric pump. So it gives you the approval on there. So EXT fluid, just call it there. On this little Toyota MR2, which is a very low mileage for the age of it anyway, 2003. It has 85,000, I think. Yeah, 85,000, and it's been on 85,000 for the past 4 years. So you can see underneath it's had all its brake pipes there as well. So here's these hoses where they go to. We have been running it and turning the steering, and the fluid's still on the max there. So that would even given us this little thing. All we have to do there is crimp that now. So we'll get a little crimping device, get that crimped. Let's see. Old but gold. There we go. Old but gold. Just shove that a wee bit more. So there's that one crimped on. Yeah, solid. So there you go guys. So that here is the MR2 all pretty much done. We just need to put covers on it So again guys, if you have already, like and subscribe, thank you. If not, please do so. Get over there and like and subscribe.